Okay, registration is open for Conradh and Gaeilge LA free classes. And this year we have Tig O'Martins teaching new. He on Saturday he's doing Learning Irish. I don't know if this is Learning Irish by Michael O'Sheil or not. I wrote to him to ask. Um, and that if it is Michael O'Sheil's, it will be more Connacht based class. And he's also doing oh, maybe he's not doing Tigvela. Maybe Arj is still doing Tigvela. I'm not sure who's teaching that or what made me think that. But I asked Katrina about that, of whether this is all going to be on one link since these classes overlap. And she says to join his class, we write to him directly at inom at gmail.com. For anybody else that's watching this, the way you register for classes is typically, let's say if you wanted to go to the classes on Saturday, you would go here and you would RSVP. Why is RSVP not working? You would push +1 checkout, and I'll put in my name, fill out the form, continue, and you go to download. And at the time you do the download, that's when you get the email from them with the link. And back here, I want to go back to here to this to point out something else. This year we're having some new classes. There's a Fonia course for beginners. So if you're ready to start conversation, that's a good classes. Maybe you've had your present, past, and future tense, but you're ready to learn conversation. And there's a beginner's Kirkle, which is something we've been missing for a while at 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 that level that is free.